Hello, today I'm going to talk about the comfort zone. Comfort zone, yeah, it is one of the worst thing that you want to be in. ये उस तरह की क्या बताऊँ comfort is a kind of a place where it seems happy when you are in it, but the outside from it, you are just getting deteriorated. आप खराब होते रहते हो. You are not getting any success. You are not improving. You are just where you are. You become comfortable. You don't do anything in your life to become a better person. क्योंकि मैं इस वक्त अभी कंफर्ट जोन में हूँ एंड I can't tell how many times I have tried to come out from this comfort zone. Even from in the last month in me, for 18 or 12, 20 days, I have been out of that. I made 18 videos and uploaded it on the YouTube, which you can see on my channel, and I have uploaded almost 60 to 60 around 60 content on me, 60 my practice graphic designs on my various social media platform. Even the things that I have uploaded on my Pinterest account, that account and those content are getting almost 20 more than 20,000 views every month on Pinterest. And I have uploaded on my Behance and several other things. But again, I am in my comfort zone, and I'm thinking about that. I should resign my job because my job is kind of, it is paying me. It is not paying me that much. It is kind of a comfort zone, comfortable job where nobody has any expectations for for the high quality work. And if I can tell you, for last 5 to 7 days, I don't have any work to do. I just go there, spend my whole 8 hours, and come back to my home. Anything meaningful there? I have not created anything which I can show anyone, which which I can show anyone else, from which anyone want to hire me. The things that I have created or the made is not at the level of 3 or 4 year experience I should need. And I'm not getting in, because in a comfort zone I have slowed my thinking. I can't think anything creative. When I want to start doing, I want to start doing any work, my brain got stuck. It does not let me do anything. And I have to put, just like if I want to work and when I start doing any work, it's like pulling hundreds of kilos weight, which is very hard. Doing the work which is not that much, it is not very which is very hard for me doing any work for. Just like people say that, oh, it is not that much hard doing that work, doing continuously. Yes, it is not hard, but when you are comfortable, and your mind think that being in the current state is the best thing you do, because you have being comfortable, you are familiar with the situations, you don't have any kind of uncertainty, that you know that if I do these things, I will get this result. Because there is no uncertainty, your mind will get numb. You don't want to crave, and don't want to just crave. You don't want to do anything. You do not crave for anything new. You just do the work, and so you don't experiment with the other things. You don't look for any other coming the next thing. Because if I tell you something, the AI is almost 2 years old in the market, and just because of comfort zone and the I'm learning it now. After 2 years, most of the people have made lakhs of money by using AI and creating AI videos. I haven't learned anything. I just started for the last month creating AI images. क्या ही बताऊँ यार, सबसे तो एक तो when you uncomfortable for a long period of time and you don't see any improvement in your life and success, you are still on you are if you see when you see yourself, you are at the same position where you were the last year. It's devastating. It just ruin your self-respect, you ruin your self-esteem. That having all the capability, all the potentials, you know that when you have all the potential, you know that you can, you if you have, if you did that work, you have been somewhere else. But for the comfort zone, but for in being in the comfort, you don't improve any inch. The journey that you could have completed for miles, you haven't completed a fit. You are just at the same place at where you were at the last time. So so I'm thinking that to get out the comfort zone, that I should first of all I should uh, get out of from my job today, because it is one of the most comfortable job anyone want to have. If someone who just want to go to work, and if someone who is responsible for his own, then you should go and do the work there, because it is not something that you will go it is not that that you thinking you will get more money, or you will have uh, if you want a job which is very easy, do not have any pressure, do not have any timeline, just go there and they said do this work, then it is good. It is good for them. Then it is good for them. Just go there and do the work and come home. And do not, if you do not care about any growth, if you work for your own, you don't have any family to take care of, if you don't have any major responsibility, then it is the best job for you. And because you will get more than 25 or 26,000 rupees, it is best. It is a for individual at my level. If you are individual, I know that people earn more than that, lakhs and 2 lakhs lakhs of rupees per month, which is literally is not enough in this economy. If you want to buy if you want to buy any home and anything else, but if you want to live comfortable, if not that much comfortable, but live a decent life, then this is the best job for you. But I don't want to do. I want to live a decent life. I don't want to live a humble life. I want to lakhs of and crores of rupees and spend it as much as I want, and spend it on my own, and spend the time that I will get from these income. So for the last 3 or 4 months, I'm trying to resign from my job, but I'm not able to. Till now, I'm not able to do that. When I think that I should resign, then something happened with me, and I dropped the idea. And because in this time, being jobless is kind of a scary. Because I have been looking for the job and trying to get interviews, and I am not getting it. I have applied so many places on the Naukri, on the Sign, in Indeed and LinkedIn, and have approached so many people on the cold email and messages and something anywhere where I could do, but I am not able to get any decent job. And because first of all, just because of this comfort from my job or whatever is I'm getting it, I'm not doing anything to improve myself, because I am comfort. When I come to home, I just watch Instagram and any YouTube, and YouTube TV, just spend my time and waste my time. So I'm not getting improved. So that's why, if in this time where people where you where where the designers who have 3 or 4 years experience getting 60 or 70,000 rupees per month job, and there I am who is earning less than 30,000 rupees, less than 30,000 rupees. I'm not chill with myself. I'm always in the stress. I'm always in the worry that I'm not earning the potential that I have. I'm not doing the work that I should be doing. I'm not putting the hard work that I should have been doing till now. Because if I have put in the consistent work for the last 2 3 years that in with the job I would have been somewhere else. I would have earning so much money than I am. I have the opportunity, I have the knowledge, I know where I should go. But when I try to do the work, when I go and I open the software, And when I do open my Illustrator files and software, I know and start thinking about what should I do, and my thinking got stopped, and my mind gets stuck. Because, at that moment, it is kind of scary for me, and it comes to my survival. That you don't first thing that come to my mind that I am not the creative person. I don't know how to do the work. I haven't done the work. The all the answer of it is, if I don't do that, if I don't go to that place, I won't be doing it. The it is a comfort zone that's telling me that you are not capable enough. You haven't done that. You don't know how to do that. You don't know how to do that. If you don't know you don't know you don't know how to do that, then you shouldn't do that. How? That's the thing that come in mind. अरे यार, my mind said that अरे यार तुझे तो पता ही नहीं है, अरे मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है, कैसे करता है, ये दिख रहा है बहुत मुश्किल होगा, कैसे करना, इफ़ आई डोंट कैसे कर रहे थे, देन आई स्टॉप डूइंग इट. इट्स बिकम अ बैरियर फॉर मी ना. इफ आई नो दैट आई द माई लेवल ऑफ स्किल that I have right now, it's a kind of a pressure. If nobody, if until unless someone wants a pressure, I won't get a job. I won't get any job. The knowledge that I have of software, the knowledge of the skill of designing that I have, it is a kind of at the level of fresher. The someone who gets the fresher after doing the 1 year internship in a firm, in a agency. It is the level of I don't have any skill in Photoshop. I don't know how to edit video. I don't know how to do After Effects. Even if the designing the skill that I have, it is nothing in compared to it. If someone told me how to create a poster for something, that my mind gets stuck. The first thing that came to mind, I don't know how to create it. I'm not creative enough to create a poster, and there are so many session limiting belief come into my mind. It is because I am comfortable with my current self. If I want to improve it, then my current self, which is comfortable, comes in front of me and say that you are not capable enough. You don't know. You don't have the skills. Then you shouldn't try. Tell me, if I don't try, how? If I don't try new thing, if I don't go beyond my boundaries, how would I learn doing the things that I don't know? If I don't know something, then I will try it. If I fail one time, two times, three times, four times, multiple times, eventually I will learn that. I will get better on that. That's how I be. That's how I will learn all the things. Just like speaking English. First of all, I don't know how to. Before I don't know how to speak English. Now I am doing for at least 3 and 4, 20, 30 for last 22 videos I have been speaking in it, and my English has got better, my fluency got better, and I know that I am not at the level of fluent speak. Most of the people speak in my in my industry, and the industry just I'm doing and I'm practicing it. I watch my videos, and I'm from watching all the videos I can say that I'm improving or not. Just like I have the money that I'm earning, I'm spending on the things that I should that can improve my quality of work. The mic and the tripod and the Wacom pen tablet, the screen, and the Mac Mini is one of my finest and the best investment that I made. But I haven't made any money from all these from the last year. I'm spending at least 1,000 rupees per month on my subscriptions on Adobe softwares. I haven't made any money from all these things. I should have been making money at least 20, at least the money that I'm making from my job. I should have making from this money, just because I'm comfortable in the situation that I am. I'm not trying to get out of my zone. I'm not trying to approach strangers. I'm not trying to